Kotor was originally founded by the Romans and known as Acruvium. In the 10th century, it became part of Byzantine Dalmatia. Between 1186 and 1371, it was a free city within the Kingdom of Serbia. Over the next few decades, the city repeatedly changed hands between the Kingdom of Hungary and the Republic of Venice before becoming independent. Weary of attack from the Ottomans, the city asked Venice for protection, and from 1420 to 1797 it became part of the Republic of Venice. During this time period, the characteristic buildings of the Old Town were constructed. Between 1807 and 1814, the city was occupied by the Napoleonic Empire. It was then ruled by the Habsburg monarchy until the end of the First World War. In 1918, the city was incorporated into the Kingdom of Serbs, Croats and Slovenes, which later became the Kingdom of Yugoslavia. Between 1941 and 1943, the city was annexed by the Kingdom of Italy and later controlled by Nazi Germany. In 1944, the city was liberated by the Yugoslav partisans. After the war, the city became part of the Socialist Republic of Yugoslavia, which was ruled by Tito. In 1979, the Old Town was awarded UNESCO World Heritage status. The same year, the city was damaged by an earthquake. Reconstruction work soon took place, and today there is little evidence of a natural disaster. After the dissolution of the Socialist Republic of Yugoslavia in 1992, Montenegro, along with Serbia, remained part of the smaller Federal Republic of Yugoslavia. Then, in 2006, Montenegro broke away from Serbia and claimed its independence. Today, Montenegro is an established country seeking EU membership. It is an increasingly popular tourist destination, but still maintains a peaceful charm. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.